like, and subscribe. So hey guys, today we're gonna play Animal Hospital. I got my friend with me, Malaya, and my sister. And guys, if you hear this background, it's because it's from the TV. Okay. So I saw this one thing on TikTok. It was like that you have to give that, not have to, but you have. Why am I keep saying have to? But that I saw on TikTok that Barney, like Barney, right? You give them maple syrup to him, and then and then baby Raphael, like his sister, Raphael's sister. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and guys, please make an edit of that. Edit of the what do you call it? Yeah, guys, please make an edit of the from the anomalies. So yeah. So we can't look for anomalies yet. It's because the for shift 1 you can't get anomalies yet. I think that's what I think. And yeah, my friend always says, not always, but she said if the some anomalies have horns, and then they're anomalies. So yeah. I'm gonna put a little bit of music for you guys.
Rooftop in Shibuya, watch the city glow. Remember ramen noodles in a tiny room. It's a presidential scene at home before. I was dreaming of this life, now it's my point of view. And shout out to the ones who never switched the tone. Who tell me at the function, man, we're proud of you. That last track was a classic, you're the honest truth. And like my mama said, they see the heart in you.
Guys, let's see if this works. It doesn't even work. That's just crazy.
Is really just a velvet glove. And I face the way they frame me, but it's never enough.
Here guys, you can listen some of this music. And sorry from the background again.
Peace. Peace. Yeah. I just wanna find peace. I just wanna find peace, peace.
So yeah.
I just wanna find peace. Yeah. They counting up my failures, checking every line. I build a legacy they can't undermine. And I rack up accolades and they say it's just my time. Cause I do this for the culture, every single rhyme. But I realize this crown is getting heavy, gotta read the signs. More than me just talking about the way the rollie shines. I'm trying to take one of you fakers living in a lie. No time for petty comments or the jealous kind. And there's no passes for the flip-flopping. And all of that slide talking, kiddo, stop it. I'm supposed to be my brother's keeper. So don't make me expose what's hidden deeper. And don't be suddenly down to talk. I don't need no discussions either. Now you gotta book a flight to see me, just like a foreign speaker. And shake my damn hand in front of all your people. Yeah, for the cameras. Since 2015, as I built the ladder, they threw shade from the side. But it never mattered. My circle's smaller now. Soon as you enter the chapter, you run and tell the blogs for a different angle. Me, I showed all my words and accepted the gamble. Cause I'd much rather fall and be handled. I just wanna find peace. Find peace. Peace. I just wanna find peace. But that time has faded now. Don't you worry anyhow. Yeah, that time has faded now. Take a breath and take a breath. We're just getting wiser now. You work the days, I work the nights. Underneath those harsh office lights, we lost our sleep to pay the rent. Our youthful energy was spent, but
Guys, make an edit. Make an edit, bro. Make an edit. Dang! He don't even brush his teeth. He has black stuff in his teeth. That's just disgusting. Only one anomaly. Just one.
Yes, that time has faded now. Take a breath and take a breath. We're just getting wiser now. Yeah, that time has faded now. Don't you worry anyhow. Getting wiser now.
Is he gonna crack the window or what?
Saw you from across the floor, a flash of neon light. Never seen a smile like that, shining oh so bright. Felt a pull I can't explain, a current in the air. Had to know your name, girl. I just had to dare, oh yeah. The whole world started fading, the noise turned to a hum. My heart was playing rhythms on a different kind of drum.
Alright, I got the maple syrup. I already got the maple syrup. No. Bro, we gonna do the edit, bro. Tell you guys stuff. Alright, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it again.
They say that fate is something that you read about in books, but I saw my whole future in just one of your
Bro, guys, I literally heard somebody breathing.
is a perfect melody.
Wow.
Creating a new world that's just for you and me. Dance floor is electric, fire in your eyes, lifting me up higher to a sweet and new surprise. It's a cosmic connection, a universal sign. Your starlight, your spirit next to mine. Here's my chance, girl. This feeling is divine. Magic, and tonight you will be mine. Some people search a lifetime for a love that feels this true. But from the moment that I saw you, girl, I knew. It's a brand new vibration. Can't see so clear. Forget about the past now. Our forever starts right here. Go now. Play it. It's a cosmic collision, universal sign. Starlight, your spirit next to mine. It's about sense, girl. It's feeling is divine. All this feeling, magic, and tonight you will be mine. You will be mine.
Sorry about that one, the gorgeous things. But yeah.
It's a universal sign.
I'm gonna put some music on.
I believe
Make an edit. That just wasted all my health. But it's fine. What is that? What in the world? My friend said it was like a camera thing. Whatever. So, let's go save the other patients. We're gonna help them. Need to do that. Baby Raptor! Guys, my friend loves Baby Raptor. Yeah. So let me do that. This and that. I can't believe that the anomaly just broke my window. But it's fine because I said please make an edit. Yeah, please make an edit for that. Dang! Another anomaly. Look at the eyes. Alright guys, let's make an edit. Uh-oh, not me. Oh my god. This is wasting all my health. You guys didn't even finish making the edit. Let me have the coffee, please, Malaya. Shift 4. Ari Cook. Chat, Ari Cook. Ari Cook. Ari Cook. Ari Cook. Ari Cook. Ari Cook. Yes, yes. I'm Cook. Ari Cook, I'm scared. Me too. Mommy, stop it. I'm scared too. Ari Cook. Chat, Ari Cook. Ari Cook. Yes, we are Cook. Ari Cook. Ari Cook. We gotta hurry up. Ari Cook. What? How did that even make him? Oh. Bro, I didn't even know that was an anomaly. Is this going to be the end? Is this going to be the end? Is this going to be the end of the video? Is this going to be the end of the video? Bro, is this going to be the end of the video? Please don't be the end of it. No! I don't like this part. Oh my gosh. Please don't make this the end of the video. Please don't. Chat, are you cooked? Chat, are you cooked? Yes or no? I'm scared. Chat, are we cooked? Chat, are we cooked? I think that we're cooked. Like fried chicken. From Marley. Everything's gnarly. We're cooked. We're cooked. Is this an anomaly? Yes or no? Dang, somebody already oofed. Is this gonna be the end? Please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't. Is this gonna be the end? Bro, is this gonna be the end? Is this gonna be the end? Is this gonna be the end? No. My friend just oofed. No. But bye guys, that's the end.